Good morning, students. Today we are going to revise our chapter number 7, that is the changing cultural tradition. In previous video we have learned the meaning of Renaissance. What is Renaissance? As I have already told you, Renaissance is called by the different names like rebirth, reawakening, re-rise of the intellectual awakening and cultural, so many things. And after the 13th century, such circumstances came that awakened the man, and this awakening is known as the Renaissance. Okay, so what is the Renaissance? I have explained. You can see the slide, a period after the middle age. Okay, so this period is known as the Renaissance, the start of the modern world. With the advent of the Renaissance, a new word has been emerged. Okay, new interest in the old stuff like Greece and the Rome, means different scholars, different painters, they started taking interest in the previous things. Okay, especially of the Greece as well as the Rome. Changes in thought about the art, religion, literature, education. With the coming of the Renaissance, there was a changes in the thought of the people in the different fields, like in the field of art, religion, literature, education. Okay, so now we are learning that where did the Renaissance start? भी ये Renaissance सबसे पहले कहाँ से start हुआ? So it has been started from the Italy, later spread north to the Germany as well as the England. You can see the slide also. Okay, now the Italian Renaissance. What is Italian Renaissance? Means the Renaissance has been started from the Italy, and that's why it is known as the Italian Renaissance. Okay, so what are the different characteristics of the Renaissance? क्या क्या characteristics थे? Secular urban society थी, age of recovery थी, new views of human ability and the worth. Okay, now we are learning about the Jacob Burckhardt and his views about the Renaissance. He is one of the important scholar that gives us a lots of information about the emergence of the Renaissance, and he was the Swiss scholar of the University of Basel of Switzerland. To him, politics was not a central concern in history writing. मतलब जो हमारी पॉलिटिक्स है वो सिर्फ हमें हिस्ट्री के बारे में ही नहीं बताती है. हिस्ट्री ऑल्सो वॉज कंसर्न विद द कल्चर विद द पॉलिटिक्स. इन हिज बुक ही हैज़ रिटन अ बुक नेम द सिविलाइजेशन ऑफ रेनेसांस इन द इटली. द नेम ऑफ द बुक इज क्या है? द सिविलाइजेशन ऑफ द रेनेसांस इन द इटली. एंड ही रेफर्ड, उसने क्या बोला है? ही रेफर्ड द लिटरेचर, आर्किटेक्चर, पेंटिंग टू डिस्क्राइब हाउ अ न्यू ह्यूमनिस्ट कल्चर had flowered in the Italian towns from the 14th century to the 17th century. He also wrote the development of new beliefs of this culture, as the man of this age was capable of making own decisions and developing his skill as an individual. Means उनकी logical thinking develop हो गई थी. Now man can take the decisions. वो अपने decisions क्या कर सकता था? खुद ले सकता था. He further wrote that man was modern in matters of thinking in contrast to the medieval man, those who thinking was controlled by the church. पुराने टाइम में क्या है? चर्च क्या थी? एक मेन पॉलिटिकल पावर भी मानी जाती थी और रिलीजियस पावर भी मानी जाती थी. जो वहाँ का पोप हुआ करता था, ही ट्राई टू कंट्रोल ऑल द पीपल ओवर द एरिया. सो नाउ द पीपल स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग लॉजिकली. वो अब लॉजिक लगाने लग गए और क्या हुआ? That helps to bring the Renaissance. So these are the different changes that we have learned that helps to bring the Renaissance. There are many things many more things that help to bring the Renaissance, but we have learned that through this Jacob that Renaissance is an important period. ये एक important period था in the Europe. As you all know that after the fall of the Roman Empire, what had happened in the fall of the Roman Empire? क्या हुआ था? That all the prosperity that has been get by the Romans, it has been declined, and this period was also known as the Dark Age. But after the Dark Age, when there was a changes in the culture, जब cultures में, traditions में, हर फील्ड में चेंजेस आने लगे, दिस कोलैबोरेट थिंग्स, ये जो कोलैबोरेशन हुई चीज़ों की, द होल पीरियड इज नोन एज द Renaissance, and we get this information through many books, and out of those books is one of the important books is the Civilization of the Renaissance in Italy. So I hope you all got it. Thank you and have a great day.